okay? You want it to soak properly. So here we see fire on the top, fire on the bottom, and the pot in the middle, the pot in the middle. So we call it helata. Helata. Helata.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Happy Easter holiday to you all. Guess what? This Jamaican family, we decide that it's Easter and we want the real granny style of Jamaican pudding. So, this is what we will be doing now. So, let's go into the farm, guys. We're gonna get our sweet potato right in our backyard to make our pudding. So here we are, we're trying to find some sweet potato, right? So after this now we're getting the wood prepare, right? We're getting some wood because we're gonna make up the real fire outside to make our pudding. So let's go.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Here we are in Jamaica. We are making potato pudding the old-fashioned way. This is the old-fashioned way, not the oven type. This is one gonna be the one that you're gonna put on the fire. So I've already grated the potato. I got my coconut already, grated the coconut, nutmeg. In it also we have brown, a little bit of browning. We have vanilla, sugar, salt, a little flour to give it the little the moist, the baking powder. And here we see, if you can see, the stuff is already being mixed. So we mix it. So therefore now, by the way, these potatoes are from our farm. These are from our farm. This is the one that we grow.
From our
Yes, from our
backyard.
backyard garden. So this we are gonna make potato pudding with some of them. We heat some, and so you see now we can have some to make potato pudding. Yes, man. The good old Jamaican way. So I already make up the fire. So you will see the fire a little from this on the outside. Wood fire. The wood fire. So you're gonna see the difference between the oven and the wood fire. So this is the first process of it. Well, this will be the second process because I have to peel the potatoes, I have to grate them with the coconut and all the other stuff that is in there. So now it is almost time to put it in the pot and then we will get it on the fire. So as we go, just follow the process and you'll see how we make real Jamaican pudding. Real, you must say, real whole time Jamaican pudding. All right, let's go. So here, guys, you see we have the fire on the outside. So this is all wood fire. Fire on the outside. So the fire has already catch up the fire, and the fire is blazing, waiting for the pudding to come.
Right.
So you see, the fire is blazing. So the next move now, what I did, we don't use file paper. We use banana leaf. We don't use foil. We use Jamaica banana leaf. See the banana leaf? This is what we use to put inside the pot. So what I did, I quail the banana leaf like this.
Oh.
I eat it over the fire to get it moist. So we eat it over the fire to get it moist. And if it's dirt, if it's not that clean, then the fire kill any little germs in it. Any little germs on the leaf, the fire get rid of it. So we scratch it over the fire that you can get it moist. So when you put it in the pot, it's very easy to put in the pot. So we don't use foil like when you always put in the oven. We use let's tell you the good Jamaican whole time Jamaican style. We put it, we use banana leaf. So you create banana leaf, all right. Follow me. But inside because I want it to be moist. That's when I'm going to put it. So it's gonna be like the fire. So what I did, I pour a little oil in the bottom of the pot, in the pot bottom, and I get it moist. I moist it around. I let the pot, get the pot bottom oil that is very moist. So when we are putting it in the when the stuff is coming out, it can easily come out. It can just fall out easy. All right. So here we put oil the pot. Okay, that is done. Next step is now the banana leaf. So I said we don't use foil, we use banana leaf. So tear it off like that, pull it off like that. So this represent the foil that you will put inside. So you pull it off, put it in the bottom. So because you don't want it to, this will avoid it from getting burned when it starts to bake. So so when you pat it like this, it will not get burned.
So you're making sure the bottom.
Making sure the bottom right, because that's where the fire is gonna center in the bottom of it. So if you don't pat it properly and the fire is too high, it can burn the bottom. So you make sure you pat it the bottom of it, make sure the bottom is very well laden with banana leaf.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get piece more.
Yeah.
So I said I was gonna get piece more, so I make sure the bottom is well, it is well laden. It's well laden. That's when the heat comes upon it, it won't burn the bottom of the pudding. All right. So there we are. We are ready now to put in this stuff. My hand wash, then I come back now and put in the stuff. The part that we use on the outside for baking. So we're gonna remove it from here. So this is the mixture. My potato, coconut, vanilla, naming them out, nutmeg, the sugar, salt,
Baking powder.
baking powder, the flour to keep it together.
Did you use yam?
Yes, I put a little bit of yam in it too also. Thank you for
Yeah.
reminding me. Yes, I like a piece of yam. A little piece of yam is in it to keep it together. Yes, man. So here we are putting in the stuff. Tastes nice already. Yeah, I love how it tastes. So when brother fire reach him, wow, I'm telling you.
I'm curious though.
You
I'm
cu- you're
curious.
curious?
How did you get to really learn this?
I learned this from my mother. My
Oh,
mother. My mother is now 83 years of age. And this is something that they do in the country when I was small, regular. Almost every week, they bake a potato pudding. If not potato, it's cassava. If not cassava, it's cornmeal. So we used to, it's like pudding gross. So I watch and see how they do it. That's how I can help myself right now. Okay? So I learned from my mother. Yeah, man. My mother baked very nice pudding. So so you see, we must learn to watch when others are doing things so we can do our own. If we didn't learn, we couldn't be doing this morning. Yeah, and look for family, we're gonna have our nice pudding that we can serve for almost a week.
yeah, it's
If
large.
if, if
It's
we
a
not
large
if
one.
we don't eat it often.
And I want to tell you, I love pudding.
Close to Easter, and we always make pudding at Easter time. Yeah, yes, that's the time we always we always make pudding when it comes to Easter. So you see, when it comes out, you're gonna have the shape like a pot.
Okay.
Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good,
This is looking good.
looking good.
Can't wait to taste it.
Yeah. Well, you have to wait until it's baked. More leaf on top of it because we're gonna put fire on top of it also. Because we're not using any stove, so it's gonna be fire on the top, fire underneath, and they put it in the middle. So we call it hill at top, hill at bottom, hallelujah in the middle. Oh
Oh
God,
my
this is fun.
god.
This is fun baking food in Jamaica. Wow.
Wow.
So you see, I am laying the banana leaf on top of it so that the fire won't burn it. But what after we did do on top of the fire is still blazing. But we don't need that sort of blazing fire right now because we're taking one time and bake. So now I put it on the fire. So you have the fire underneath already. So I get a piece of metal like this. Piece of metal and you put it on top of this. Alright? You're gonna put fire on top now. So this is where you're gonna bake from the top and bake from the bottom. So what I did, I take a little fire from down here, so put it up here, so. Also, I'm gonna use some coal. So what I did, I get some coal. Coal on the top. So we're gonna put fire up here. You watch the man take up fire with the hand yet?
Be careful, you know. Be careful.
Alright, so I'm putting some fire on the top. So you think about it, you know. You don't have to rush it. Take it one time. As long as you have the fire underneath it, take you one time and bake. Sometimes you take one long way. It will take at least maybe 2 or 3 hours. But you don't want to rush it because you want it to soak properly. Okay? You want it to soak properly. So here we see fire on the top, fire on the bottom, and the pot in the middle, the pot in the middle. So we call it helata. Helata. Helata bottom. Hallelujah. You can turn up the fire underneath a little bit. You want more fire? So you fan the flame. Fan the flame. Yeah. You see? And you fan this one and let the coal then catch us. Eventually the coal will catch and the top will begin to burn. Authentic Jamaican pudding. All time something. Come back again.
Whoa. I must say that this is a lot of work.
If you
This is
enjoy,
a lot of work.
if you like doing it, it won't be a lot of work. That if you like doing it,
Mm.
and we don't do it that often. So
Yeah.
I think this is the first one for the year.
Yes, for us.
Yes, for us.
And the good thing about it, we use our own
Yes, man.
backyard
Everything is from
potato
potato
to make
to make
our
it. And guess what?
Jamaica.
Because my potatoes are sweet, I don't use a lot of sugar in it. Because my potatoes, the potatoes of them are very sweet.
Yes.
Yes. Most they just naturally we don't use a little bit of fertilizer we're using it. So they're sweet and they come natural.
Yes.
This is the end product. Look at it guys. Lovely Jamaican potato pudding. Wow. This is very nice.
I want to sample it
The
also.
taste, the proof of the taste is in the eating. And so here we have our nice Jamaican potato pudding. Look at
Yeah.
it.
See it here, guys.
You can see the potato from afar.
We have to put it here.
You can see the potato in it from afar. Not a lot of flour that we cannot get the taste of the potato. So if you taste it, you will taste the real Jamaican potato pudding.
It is nice. Really nice.
It
Have
is
it.
it is nice.
And guys, it's not
Wow.
too sweet nor anything. We don't put
Right.
much sugar, right? I
Wow.
can actually taste the coconut
Mm-hmm.
and the sweet potato.
Mm-hmm. It's nice. It's
Really
nice.
nice.
So
Wow.
this is a real Jamaican old time baking pudding. Not
Okay.
on the stove, but on the fire. And you have seen how we have done it.
See it there, guys.
And we have an sample. I'm sorry that you are so far away that you cannot taste it. But
Nice. I'm
it
telling you,
is,
guys.
yeah, it is nice. It is nice.
You did a wonderful job. Guys, honestly, this old fashioned sweet potato pudding didn't last no time. I went and I get a bite, I went again and get another bite, and that's how it finished, guys. Don't be afraid to try it. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.